Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can delete your pictures in one go without having to delete them one by one. So super simple, just go to your album and press the trash button and you're going to select the pictures you want to delete. I take a lot of pictures for like thumbnails and stuff, so I am going to delete as much as I can. I think I'm just going to delete the ones that are not important or cute. I think this one's pretty, but you're just going to want to select the ones that you want to delete, like so. Once you're done with everything, press delete and then press confirm. And yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.